half-eaten now. Did a video, did a wonderful little COVID piece, didn't turn the audio on. What is wrong with me? Nonetheless, this little Benz has Ceramic Pro Gold on it. The Calkins snatched up the daughter's SUV and said, oh, before you go back to Florida, it's gonna be protected right with a real professional ceramic coating. Ceramic Pro, 4 layers of 9H. It's all the resistance to all the spider webbing and all that damage Mother Nature will just do to it with chemicals and bugs and everything. It's resistant to it. She won't need to wax it. She won't need to seal it. She won't need like a closet full of all these weird AutoZone chemicals to clean her vehicle. Bam! Giving her a maintenance kit. Shoop. She'll be good. Easy cleaning. No matter what. Her mom and her dad, BMW, truck, done. They love it. They can't get enough of it. Awesome. Best thing my clients have gotten. Love it. Love